Conveyor and rack-type dishwashers utilize standardized racks for loading and cleaning dishware, offering efficient batch processing. These rack dishwashers are well suited for medium-sized restaurants or establishments requiring flexible dishwashing capabilities. This description will emphasize the advantages of the rack design: high-temperature sanitization, high-efficiency cleaning, large capacity, convenient loading, unloading, and space-saving potential.